Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is VMorgan and this is VMorgan Tech. So today I'll be going over ANS Testnet. Alright, so you can participate in this testnet and be eligible for its future airdrop. Not confirmed yet, but yeah, it's okay for you to test the network and enjoy its benefits while we hope for a airdrop for this. Alright. So for ANS means Algo Naming Service, okay, name service. So what it does is that it allows you to give a name to your transactions. For example, instead of having your wallet addresses, and you know our addresses are very long. If you go over to myalgo.com and you check your address, it's quite long and all of that. Instead of always sending to your address, you can actually send it to your name. For example, vmorgan.com or whatsoever, vmorgan.algo or whatsoever naming, whatsoever way it's named, all right? So that's what it does. It gives your address a name, all right? So what we are going to do is we're just going to head over to this website. Okay, this is the testnet. All right, and then for this head job, we are going to be needing testnet faucets. All right, you're not going to be testing this with your money or whatsoever. You're going to be testing with faucets. If you follow this channel, you know that we've used faucets severally. All right, so this is the link where you get your testnet from, bank.testnet.algo. All right, so this is it. This is the Angora dispenser. It's a bank for fake money faucets. All right, so we just need to test all of that. And then this is ANS Angora name service. Load up. And before you do this, please note that you should have a account on myalgo.com. Okay, myalgo. Okay, myalgo.com. All right, just quickly set up an account and you know how it works. That's I put in my password. All right, here is my Algo wallet. Okay, this is my Algo wallet right here, and as you can see, this is the mainnet. Okay, it's not finished loading up, no. Well, yeah, this is the mainnet. For you to test any network or any DApp on Algo chain, all right, you need to switch over to the testnet. All right, this is testnet here. This is mainnet, testnet, betanet. So you come over to this place, switch to the testnet, and then you would just wait for this to load up. But while we wait for that, let's go over to ANS and check it. Okay. So registration for .algo names is now open on testnet. All right. ANS is a decentralized naming service designed for Algo community. An Algorand smart contract is used to store names and govern the naming policy. Registration for .algo names is now open. Grab your Algo name now. All right, we are doing this with testnet faucet, but I want to believe, okay, that one of the benefits for this is by testing the network with this testnet and getting our our names, okay, our names on the naming service. It's going to be, it could be ours, okay, and when it goes live on the mainnet, we won't have to even pay anything for it. All right, if that's a benefit from this airdrop, then cool. But if not, maybe we might just have to pay a little bit of fee to really get this name as ours, okay, based on the fact that this is a testnet. All right, let's go over to this myalgo.com, and here is my testnet wallet. All right, as you can see, I have 10 algos in this airdrop wallet. All right, if I switch over, if for me to get more algos, okay, because I think we need about 30 something algos for us to purchase the name. All right, and for me to get these algos, I'll need to go over to Algorand dispenser. All right, what it needs is, okay, the dispense algo has no monetary value, so don't pile this up thinking you can make some money from it. No, you can't. All right, and all you need to do is to just click on this "I'm not a robot" and then you provide your address. All right, so for me, this is my address. I'll copy this and paste it here. Dispense. For this, you'll be given 10 algo. As you can see, code 200 success, and you can do this once every hour. All right, you can do this once every hour. So let me try to see if I can get this again. I mean, like, it's just a few seconds. Okay, so I'll paste my address again and dispense. Let's see if it works or not. Boom, it works. Good. Okay, it works. So it's not once every hour. But you need to like refresh the page. Let's see if it can go the third time. So I'll be able to make up what I need for ANS. Looking at the fact that I already have 10 already. As you can see, it's starting now. All right, starting now. So I'll click "I'm not a robot" and then I'll paste my address. Wait for this to load up. Good, and dispense. Boom, works. All right, so I should have 40 algo. I should have 40 algos right now. Okay, yeah, should have 40 algo. Okay, so what we should do when you come over to ANS, what you do is now ANS is like ENS. I don't know if you know about ENS. You'll be able to really understand what they are doing on the Agora network. All right, so they said Agora name services here. I just search that algo name. All right, so I'll have VMorgan. Okay. I don't know. Do I have to put that algo? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Let's search that first. All right. Um, Searching for domain information. Well, as you can see, I have 40 already. All right, so that's good to go. Okay, here's the domain owner information. All right, and this is domain name Victor vmorgan.algo and registered by not registered. Good. So I'll register that. All right, and then register and link your algo. Your okay. Register and link your .algo name to your wallet address. Link your social media profiles to your algo name, and accept token or asset transfer with your algo name. All right, so here it is, and I'll tap "I'm not a robot." All right, proceed. And then next is to connect to my algo wallet. All right. Okay, choose account. This is my account, and then I'll confirm. Okay, the name registration requires a one-time fee to be sent. Okay, to the Algorand smart contract escrow account. A portion of this fee goes to the ecosystem. The name must be a minimum of 3 characters based on the character length of the name. The fee is calculated as follows: 5 characters or more, you pay 32 algo; 4 characters, 125 algos; 3 character, 313 algos. So the lesser the number of characters you have in your name, the more. Okay, for me, I have 7 characters. All right, so I'm going to be paying 32 algo. But if you have something like gig or X, all right, you pay more. All right, so that's that. So you may notice a separate 1.1 payment transaction. The transaction is required to fund the Logic signature account, notes, blah 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 blah. Register your name. The name you register is yours forever. You only have to pay a one-time fee to register the name. You do not have to pay for renewals. Okay, so once you have the names, you have the names. You don't have to pay renewal fee every year or whatsoever. All right, so click on confirm. Okay, processing registration, and once again connect my wallet. Okay, transfer amount, this is the fee and all of that. Put in the password. Okay, and then I'll sign the transaction. All right. You have successfully registered vmorgan.algo.com. All right, vmorgan.algo is mine. Did I say .com? Oh, there's no .com, just vmorgan.algo. Yeah. Registration 100%. Good to go. Good to go. Okay, vmorgan.algo is now this. All right, and then I'll just add socials. Okay. All right, no profile set so far. All right, so this is just mine. This is mine, and I'm just going to try something. This is vmorgan.algo. All right, so let me copy that. I would use it to claim algo on the algo dispenser. See if it works. I don't know. I've not done this before, but yeah, let's see if it works. Well, based on the fact that it's on the testnet, I don't think it would work. All right. But let's just try, and I mean, there's no harm. There's no harm in trying. Okay. All right. Let's dispense that, and then failed or success. Failed. All right. Failed. Failed. Okay. So it's not live. This is a testnet already. Yeah. And hopefully this gets to be mine when it's on the main net. Yeah. So right, that's that, and all of that. You find this link in the description. You can read up to learn more about this and all of that, and then most importantly, get involved. All right, join their Discord channel, follow them on Twitter, and get access to their live info. All right, as they drop it. All right, guys, that is the end of the test net. Okay, we've done everything, and we are 100% done. All right, we have our algo name and all of that. And if you like what you've seen in this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more of this, you know what, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get access to this information on time, turn on the notification bell for more of these updates. Okay, my name is Victor Morgan. Please do not take any of this as a financial advice. It's only for educational purposes, and we are doing it with the hope of let's make some money on a possible airdrop, which is not confirmed yet. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice one.